It's like Nitro Circus again.
Guess what day it is? Hi, I'm Billy Dietrich, sprint car mechanic and driver. I've been around racing my whole life and it's pretty much all I know. We created this channel to share the good and the bad and everything in between. Our crew may not be the most experienced or professional, but we get it done and we have a good time doing it. We'll show you what it's really like racing weekly at some of the best tracks in central Pennsylvania. I'm also going to share some sprint car tutorials, mechanics, and parts, and whatever else I feel like. So like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And enjoy the ride. Yeah, boy.
All right, we're in the Skook. We just got off 81. We're headed Big Diamond.
Yep, on the road here, back in the Schuylkill County.
Pennsylvania 125 North.
Got Nathan back.
Hi. Talking about going to Atlantic City and all the stuff we would do or not do. Think about it. Jeez.
It's kind of frightening.
One can only imagine what's going through his brain.
Ride the lightning pills, some dynamite, some other stuff. Probably get a baller suite with a heart-shaped tub.
Who's we?
Well, that's what the crew's doing.
Oh,
We're going. I'll buy. I'm not scared.
All right, I'm in. Let's do it.
Fuck it, whatever.
What about you, Heather? You in?
I'm not sure
My
about
kids
that.
will go to community college. I don't care. Whatever.
So, how are we gonna do tonight, Bill?
We're gonna do good. It's draw for starting spots, no time trials. Hopefully we draw a good pill, make the redraw for the feature, and yeah, Big Diamond.
Right.
Here we go.
Looks like the place. Friday night dirt track racing. Big D Speedway. .net. Well, they got the entrance wet. We're here. Crown jewel of Schuylkill County.
It's true.
So, in case anybody out there in YouTube land was wondering, this is Heather's stomping ground. This was her home track before I met her. She came to the races every Friday night.
I did not. But I've been here
Her
a time or
number's still
two.
written on the Porta-John wall.
Yeah, okay.
It's funny you wouldn't even know there's a racetrack up here. Like,
No.
obviously you could drive right past that sign, not even really see it. And we're at a racetrack.
Check.
I would say it might be dry and dusty tonight.
It's dry.
It's always dry and dusty here.
This rat.
Attention to the pits. Thank you all for coming out.
I'm glad you said he liked me on your videos.
All divisions must sign in the tool shack. Out division.
So something, do me good here, Heather. Look in there and pick a good one.
Oh, I need this. 12.
That's not bad. It's good. You did a good job. Good job.
All right, we got the real man here.
Where?
Right here.
Oh. What's going on, guys?
You ready?
Of course. Hometown race, 4/10 of the scoop. You gotta love it.
Where's the troll at?
So you're picking us for the win, right?
Of course. Always Billy Dietrich for the win.
Always.
He better shotgun the England in victory lane if he wins it.
Oh, we could see maybe. Nate would for sure.
Oh, Nate would. Absolutely. Nate's a psychopath, so we know that. Look at that mullet, too. You fit right in this
Yeah,
scoop.
that's good. Well, you know,
I know. He
it's
looks
more than
great.
just the hair that.
You would fit right in downtown Pottsville.
Probably.
Probably.
or Tremont.
Maybe Shendo. Oh, you leave.
I was gonna say I don't know if he's tough enough for Shendo.
No, he's not tough enough for Shendo. Not even
No
Monterey
way.
City.
No.
No, Monterey City. They have to treat you alive, Monterey City, pretty badly. Pottsville, maybe.
You could maybe make it into Aqua.
From Aqua, yeah.
I don't stick around long. I'm in, get what I want, I'm out.
Yeah, you're getting parents' food, right? Yeah. You're here for the Lokis, you're here for all that stuff.
Whiskey or whiskey?
Halishki. I made Halishki the other week with homemade dough dumplings. He was all about it.
Okay, there you go. I feel bad for you in bed that night, though.
Wasn't too bad.
What's that? No.
Wait a minute, what do you mean?
What do I mean? Seriously, you get gut shoving the hell out of her.
Oh, I know.
Oh, I know.
All right,
See ya!
Yeah, it's good luck, guys.
thanks.
I got chicken parm hoagie at the racetrack stand. It literally looks better than something you could get at like the Italian restaurant around or where we're from. Look at how good that looks.
Where'd you get that?
At the stand.
What did you make for the night?
I didn't make anything. Getting ready for warm-ups. Should be interesting.
Warm-ups is over. Ended up second quick overall on hot lap, which is good. Car felt really good. Track's got a good bit of moisture in it, so we're third in the third heat. 6 qualify, 3 make the redraw out of the heat. So we gotta get top 3 to make the redraw for the feature. 10 laps. We're not really changing much. We changed the hair a bit on the car, but so far so good. So we're a Big Diamond. Well, last this time. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, they bicycled up on me.
Oh yeah, we saw it. It was freaking scary, Bill.
I don't know either. You steered out of it, it's all that matters.
Yeah, there ain't no hole there, I don't think. I don't know if I just got into the cushion wrong or what. The thing just got tight. Bicycle up on 2 wheels and felt like.
That little divot there? There's like a
hole
divot there.
Yeah, you were basically level. But I mean, the car coming around at the end there.
Yeah.
I thought.
3 and 4 definitely got black spots in it. Tighten up some.
It's starting to be a little dusty, a little bit.
5.
Yeah, we wouldn't have been bad either way.
See what we got here. See how I walk this tonight. 5. Hopefully it's a 5. All right, heat race is over. Started third, finished third, made the redraw. Redrew a 5. It's 30 laps. Track's definitely getting drier. So making some changes, tightening the car up a little bit. So it's very hard to pass. Just the way the track's laid out for a sprint car, in my opinion. Just isn't a lot of maneuverability out there for us. So getting ready. We're up next. 30 laps. Starting 5th. I got hit so hard from behind, knocked my foot off the gas. When Oz hit me, literally knocked my foot off the gas.
And it wasn't his fault.
No, I mean, they're... I don't know what the fuck's going on.
I just can't believe Mark Smith beat Freddie out of the hole and won that thing. I'm glad.
Did he win?
Yeah. Actually,
I mean, like, he's trying to, like, fucking push him around or something.
who's that?
Yeah,
Pushing Mark around.
I think so, and then he just, like, slowed down. Next thing I know, I'm like, bam! I
And
hit
that
so...
cost you 2 or 3 spots. He really
At least.
Then that restart when you drove by Nudie and all
Yep.
that. But hey, 7th or 8th, that's okay.
I didn't need that yellow to come back out because I, you know,
Yeah.
fucking A.
I'm just saying. A lot better than last year, and a lot better than we normally are.
I mean, I started slowing my entry down into 3,
That helped you.
you know, and
But up here, you rolled the gas, and you needed to be.
son of a bitch. Okay, features over 30 laps here at Big Diamond. Ended up starting 3rd because the leader dropped out for the race, took green, and something going on in the front row. Total like accordion effect. I got hit so hard from behind. Knocked my foot off the gas, knocked up the track. That the guy behind me, his front wing was knocked off. Surprised he didn't call the start back. It was that bad. Anyway, I lost like 3 spots right there. Race my way back up through a little bit. We had some other issues there. I don't know, I got less gas to get in, but anyway, I think we were 7th or 8th maybe. Not sure yet. All in all, not a bad night. Start of the race really hurt us bad. So everybody did a good job. I want to thank all my sponsors, sponsor the car. We appreciate everybody, the fans. Thank my crew, thank my wife, and everybody that's involved. Like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Please subscribe. If you're watching videos, we get tons of views, but subscribers ain't going up yet. So subscribe. Tomorrow night's Schuylkill County. So first night of 2 nights. Moving on to the next night.